Hello, in front of me I've got smartphone with Android 14. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change brightness level of the screen, enable or disable adaptive brightness, manage lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, control from lock device, double line clock, now playing function, which identifies songs playing nearby, always show time and info, tap to check phone, lift to check phone, and wake screen for notifications. Next, we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and also we can enable or disable screen attention function. Then, we can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Next, we can set screensaver between clock, colors or photos. And next, we can change display size and text size. Also, we can enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. Then we can change navigation mode between gesture navigation and three buttons navigation. In the end, we can enable or disable night light and schedule it and change its intensity. We can change colors mode of the display, enable or disable auto rotate screen and screen protector mode. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.